Hello and welcome. In this video I want to tell you about the new features of uContext 1.12. Let's start in the new feature that you most likely notice. This is the Windows button on the toolbar. When you click on this button, uContext will show you all the open windows that you have. This is especially useful when you are working in a maximized window, and you can quickly switch to any other window with one click. But this button has two more hidden gems. The first is the Recent Windows section, which contains windows that you recently closed. You can restore it with one click, and it will save the previous state. The second is the Favorite Windows section, in which you can store any windows that are most useful to you. To change the list of your favorite windows, click the Edit button. Here you can sort, delete and add windows. To add a window, click the plus, and click on the window that you want to add, and you will always have quick access to it. The next new feature that you might also notice is the Duplicate tool. Select the Duplicate tool, and simply move the game objects to create duplicates. This tool has a hidden use case that will easily make it your favorite tool. When you use the Transform tool or Move tool, hold down Ctrl plus Shift. This will temporarily turn on the Duplicate tool while you hold these buttons. When you are finished working with the tool, just release the buttons and your previous tool will be restored. A third feature, which I want to tell you, is improving of the bookmarks. Open Bookmarks. Now you can add to bookmark any folder from the project, and use the elements from it. This gives you almost limitless possibilities for organizing your content. The last feature that I want to tell you about today is view states for selection. For example, you have a favorite view for working with a specific game object. Press Ctrl+/ and uContext will remember the view for this game object. Then you did something and changed the view. When you need to continue working with this game object, select it. An icon was displayed on the toolbar that the selected game object has a saved view. Click on it to restore this view. Thank you for watching. Link to uContext in the description.